Last spring, we held the ultimate wing smackdown, but hit pause on the project as the pandemic gripped the nation and the NCAA tournament was canceled. Now, we're rolling out our results. Hot wings cooked 16 ways, roasted at high and low heat, grilled on and off the heat, boiled, broiled, air-fried, pressure-cooked, and several combination methods. Going head-to-head in an elimination bracket in hopes of crowning the ultimate hot wing. Wings were prepared and tasted by Consumer Reports cooking experts and CR tasters, and the standards were high.
So a wing had to be crispy on the outside, meat had to be tender, it had to be able to hold on to the sauce and, not be dried out or mealy.
The competition had 4 divisions. First, the roast region. Several methods were put to the test, high and low temperatures, and racks versus pans. Although wings on a pan produce a crispy crust, it was convection roasting with a rack that resulted in the juiciest meat.
They're crispy, they're about as close as you can get to fried without using a deep fryer or an air fryer. And we also just like them because you don't need another appliance.
Next up, the broil region had some tasty successes. Some swear by broiling wings at a high heat, some like to keep it low. But it was the wings that were boiled in salted water followed by a hot broil that ruled the roost. And they were placed on a baking sheet with no rack. A brave twist that went against expectations. These wings were beautifully browned and crispy with no need to scrub a wire rack. Then the competition heated up with the grill region, pitted indirect and direct heat methods paired with foil or boiling in salted water. Our experts found the most tasty contender in this region was started over indirect heat and finished on hot grates, producing a tasty char that was a crowd favorite. And the final region, small appliances. Nearly every countertop method known to electricity was brought to the challenge. Air frying, slow cooking, and pressure cooking finished with air frying or broiling. The one chicken wing method laid an egg. Slow cooking wings in the sauce for over 4 hours produced a slippery pile of orange mush.
We inadvertently made cat food.
The winner of this round, in just 20 minutes, the air fryer produced juicy wings with a crisp, dark brown skin. As we neared the sizzling conclusion, who would take the ultimate prize? The championship round pitted air frying against boil and broil with no rack. 2 worthy opponents in this wing smackdown. Both methods yield crisp, juicy hot wings draped in spicy sauce. But the wing that had our tasters crowing for more was faster, more convenient, and easier to clean up. This year's ultimate hot wing champion is Wings Air Fried. And Consumer Reports did all the work, so you don't have to.